Good day, everyone. I am Mr. Propeta from Tanzania National Trade School, and I will present to you my action research entitled Efficiency of Quick Response Team in Tanzania National Trade School, Basis for Program Enhancement Strategy. Due to the emerging problems when it comes to school facilities and maintenance, the Tanzania National Trade School have formed a group known as the Quick Response Team. The Quick Response Team is composed of chairmen from different areas who are responsible for the well-being of school facilities and its management. As the name suggests, they are obliged to conform to the school unexpected issues. One example is the unexpected power outage in the classroom, water supply in the restrooms, and faucet was unavailable. The forming of cemented pathways to muddy areas of the school where students are used to passing by. Additionally, classroom ventilation, lightnings, repair of chairs, table, and door lock is also given attention. Action research question. This study aimed to investigate the efficiency of quick response team in Tanzania National Trade School in terms of classroom electrical maintenance and services and school water system as rated by the student, teachers, and school staff. Specifically, this study intended to answer the following questions. SOP number 1. What is the pre-assessment efficiency result of the QRT in 4 strategies as rated by the students, teachers, and school staff? 2. What is the post-assessment efficiency result of the QRT in 4 strategies? And lastly, is there significant difference on the level of efficiency of classroom electrical maintenance and services and school water system in 4 strategies before and after the assessment? Christiansen in 2020 noted that there are 3 maintenance challenges that school administrators face. First, better hygiene and cleaning practices. Second, maintaining healthy environment. And lastly, enforcing compliances. Purposive sampling was employed in this study. Only those who were able to receive services from the QRT served as respondents. The instrument has 2 parts. Part 1 is composed of questions with regards to the efficiency of the QRT in terms of classroom electrical services and maintenance and the school water system. The second part consists of questions relating to areas in the school that need further improvement, as perceived by the respondents. This study employed an experimental pre-test, post-test. Findings. The study reveals in SOP number 1 that the student, teachers, and school staffs are almost alike in their observation on the efficiency of the QRT before the strategies are being applied in the classroom. For SOP number 2, the 83 participant says the strategy under maintenance schedule shows that the mean score is 3.18, interpreted that the QRT is efficient. For findings in the SOP number 3, the result reveals that the test of difference between the pre-assessment and post-assessment result and the level of efficiency of QRT were all significant in all 4 strategies. Implication. Managing and maintaining school facilities is a grueling task, especially for teachers who are served within the 4 walls of our classroom, but also around the school. Although the QRT rating was effective as evaluated by the students, instructors, and school personnel, it is necessary to refine and develop the aforementioned strategies. As concluded, the result of this study proves that the strategies applied by QRT is indeed efficient. For recommendations, these are all my recommendations. And this is my references. Thank you very much and have a nice day.